Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to use this Doubletick WhatsApp API and CRM. So this is a powerful tool to automate messaging, manage leads, and of course, enhance customer engagement. So whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, this tool can streamline your WhatsApp communication. So here guys, you need to first sign up for an account, and if you don't have one, you need to get a demo first here. So you need to choose a plan that fits your needs and complete the registration process here. So once you're logged in, you just need to navigate to their API setup. So under the settings, and there guys, you'll need to integrate your WhatsApp business account. So you just need to follow the instructions to verify your number and get the API credentials. So this allows you to send automated message, build campaigns, and chatbots. So on connecting Doubletick to a CRM or third party guys. So if you're using a CRM like HubSpot, Zoho, or Salesforce, you can integrate Doubletick to sync your contacts and automate the workflows. So there you can go to the integrations and then select your CRM and follow the steps to connect your account here. So as you can see here, I am booking a demo here. So here I am choosing a day. So let's try this date. So after choosing your time guys, make sure to fill in all this field guys. So this is very important. So as this will be the result of your account. So on setting up the chat automations guys, the Doubletick allows you to automate response using the chatbots. So under their automation, you can set up rules for auto replies or frequently asked questions and lead generation flows. So you can also create personalized responses based on the customer queries. So this website guys lets you track leads and conversation, go to leads to view incoming messages, assign them to team members, and update statuses. You can also add tags and notes to organize customers' interactions. So to measure your campaign success, you need to check the analytics. So you'll see data on message delivery rates, open rates, and response times. So you can use these insights to optimize your messaging strategy. So this website also follows WhatsApp compliance rule to ensure that your messages follow the policies by verifying business templates and avoiding spammy content. So this also enable the 2FA and role-based access for security guys. So as you can see here, and that's it guys. Now you know how to use Doubletick WhatsApp API and CRM for business messaging. So if this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials. And if you have any questions, don't be shy to drop them in the comments. And thank you for watching. Bye!